Hi Warhound fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And I've got a few diamond paintings to do. Disclaimer, the ones that come after this, some of them have already been done, but it doesn't matter when or where or if.
Or who and when and wow.
Yeah, but they should, they're all Christmas ones. They're going to be all Christmas ones.
This looks like this is a special diamond one.
I'm just going to be combining it, basically. Yeah. Some of them I will take pictures of. Other ones I will just show you end results.
Yeah.
This
he got a mouse with a cookie. A dragon is sharing a cookie with a mouse.
He's adorable. I will probably do pictures on lines of this, so each colour I fill in, I'll get Darren to take a picture, and so on. Some of them will have this over it, because until I get near the end, it's just easier to have it on, so I just sort of pull up half of it, then lay it back down, and do the same thing from the top. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 colours to this. It's a 30 by 30 and it's gorge. It really is. And they're sparkly ones, guys.
Yay.
So let's get diamond. Guys, so there we go, that's that one. Now you'll notice that some of them have been pictured. Rather than doing one colour at a time, I kept forgetting, so sometimes you've got like 1.5 colours or 2 colours. It's just the way it goes, but you've got to admit that is gorgeous, isn't it? It's so pretty. Right, so back onto some more pictures, guys. So that's our 30 by 30 Christmas fairy done. And she is so very sparkly.
Yeah, give a bit more of a wiggle from the top as well. That's better, yeah.
Yeah,
sparkling
she is
now.
Beautiful. Right, on to the next thing. Right, so here's another one that I've done. And it's finished. If you look at it from a distance bit, you can see the Christmas tree more clearly. Some presents, some books.
You can see it closer up.
Yeah.
Very close.
But I do think it's actually pretty good, considering it says 20 by 20, but honestly, guys,
the paper, the bit around the outside is 20 by 20. It's probably about 15 if you're lucky.
This bit got cut off because I needed the coding for the bags, and I always try to keep a picture for my records, so that's why it's like that. Right, let's see what else I've done. guys, so that is our girl Christmas squirrel done. Honestly, I think it needed to be bigger.
I think it needed other shades of bits.
There was
it looks like someone's taken a photograph and turned the exposure right up.
It does a bit, yeah. I mean, her face is a bit better from a distance, but I still can't get round the white so much.
Yeah, it's too white, isn't it?
Too white, yeah. It's really strange. Right, but either way, she is done. So we have got another, and I think this is the last one of the diamond painting Christmas ones that I got. And I don't know. Oh yeah, you can see them pretty well. Right, this is a 30 by 30, so I'll be making that on my large board.
Yeah.
But you can see the detail there is incredible.
Yeah.
And also, if you look, oh, it looks like all the bags are numbered, look. All the bags are Ziploc bag numbered ones.
Nice. Makes it nice, maybe.
That makes it really easy. So, I'm just going to show you that this is supposed to be a 20 by 20.
Yeah, it wasn't. The sheet was 20 by 20.
The sheet was barely
you're probably
20 by...
You're probably lucky if it was 15.
Yeah.
I think it was.
So, you know, that is the only downside of when you get 20 by 20. If it's not a true 20 by 20, no joy. But yeah, I thought I'd show you the his and her.
Yeah.
But I think he should turn out well. Cross fingers. Right, guys, so...
Let's have a look.
Right, guys, so as you can see, he's finished and he's gorgeous. I'm so pleased with how this one turned out. I may have to get the little girl squirrel one again, but in a bigger size, because, I mean, this is fine. This is, you know, I've trimmed off all the edges. I wanted to show you that. And then Darren's going to blue tack it up on the glass panel bits of our doors. It just cheers the place up a bit. Why not?
Yeah.
Right, so I hope you've enjoyed our little craft.
Domini painting bits.
Yeah, it has been, isn't it? Yeah. But no, they've been huge amounts of fun. I don't think I'm going to do any more Christmas crafts now. I'll do other crafts, but purely because of time pressure and what have you. And it's the second day we stayed up till 5 in the morning, so I could finish it off basically. So yeah, so now I can sleep is the point. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed, as I said. Thank you for watching, and as always, be different. A very merry hoo-hoo. I'm getting myself confused now. And let's see you out with a squiggle boop.